Before we change more of the styles on the site, let's go back to something more fundamental with Django. So when you log into the Django administration at /admin, you'll notice that when you click on your application, your Theta images, the images are listed just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 images on here, and it's a little difficult to update this thing if you want to change the summary or the title or even the image on it. So let's fix it so that you have a better listing here. So the listing on the admin platform is controlled by the models.py to a large extent. So let's go back in here. You have your class. We're going to create a method, and we're actually going to access this method. It's a special name, so use the same name. String self. And we're going to return self.title. The title is this variable here on line 6. So now let's go to it, and you'll see that there's now a listing of the title of the image. So it's much easier to edit it now. So in the models.py, add this method def underscore string. There's 2 underscores here, self, and then just return whatever variable here that you want to list as a listing for your images. And I suggest title.